Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Priority Inbox in Gmail. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you the exact process to customize your Gmail inbox for a more organized and efficient email experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the Gmail app, tap on the menu icon. This will open the menu options for Gmail. Step 3. From the menu options, tap on Settings. This will take you to the settings page of your Gmail account. Step 4. On the settings page, you will see a list of your Gmail accounts. Choose the account for which you want to turn on Priority Inbox. Step 5. After selecting your account, scroll down and tap on Inbox Type. This option allows you to customize the appearance and functionality of your Gmail inbox. Step 6. From the available options, choose Priority Inbox. This will enable the Priority Inbox feature for your selected Gmail account. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate Priority Inbox in Gmail and enjoy a more focused and streamlined email management system. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to turn on Priority Inbox in Gmail. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy emailing.